Hey Smooth Beauties! Today we're talking about juicers and blenders and which one you should choose for your 14-day Smooth Beauty Challenge. We're just going to talk about what's most important for you to know. So one question I get asked most often is, should I use a juicer or a blender? Which appliance should I use? So here's the quick rundown. A juicer extracts water and nutrients from your produce and discards the fiber, making carrot juice, beet juice, apple juice, and limes. You get my point, a juicy juice. Your result is a liquid juice that's nutritious and delicious. Smoothies, on the other hand, are blended by a blender, and you can add things to it like produce, supplements, frozen fruits, and ice, bananas, almond milk, and my favorite, protein powder. The point is that they're more filling because they keep all of the nutrients and fiber. So there you have it. And you'll find that whatever you decide to make your colorful smoothies or your nutritious juices with, your decision has to be what's best for you in your situation. What's most important is that you try it out and you have a fun time doing it. So as far as what I'm using right now, what's most important for me is getting all the nutrition I can and getting in and out of the kitchen. So I use both the smoother and the juicer. What's most important for me is nutritional quality and cleanup time. And for me, oh boy, does that NutriBullet ever fit the bill. I'm in and out of the kitchen in 12 minutes, and I have time to go work out. I have time to go work on my blog and go to work in my office at my regular job and hang out with my kids, and it's enough that I can get in and out of the kitchen making 2 or more smoothies a day. My kids love my smoothies and kid-friendly healthy recipes, and you will too. So that's the quick and clean juicers and blenders, guys. I hope that was helpful. Go on over to the website at goodlifeworld.com and don't forget to comment and subscribe. See you later, Smooth Beauties.